How's that?
Honestly,
Yep.
I can't hear much. Hi, I'm Maddie and I'm about to get hands-on with history. I'm here at Battle Abbey and English Heritage are going to turn me into a knight for the day.
I'm Caroline.
And?
I'm Richard.
Let's get dressed up.
Gosh, it's like the gauntlet. Whoa. Come on in. Next up, I'm going to have a go at some jousting.
Whoa, get set. Gallop! Go! Victory!
It's time for sword skills.
We are going to learn how to take it out of the sheath. Swing! Swing!
These beautiful green rolling hills were once the site of a bloody battle. And the Battle of Hastings was actually really long by medieval standards because it lasted a whole day. If you want to get hands-on with history, then there are activities happening at English heritage sites all across the country this summer. Hopefully, we'll see you soon.
Maid Maddie did very well.